What if we tell that all you need is chemistry to secure good marks? Well, not saying physics and bio won't help. But wait! Do you know the topics which would do that magic? In this video, find out the most scoring topics of chemistry, biology and physics that will help you ace your 9th Term 2 science exam. Let's start with chemistry. It will fetch you 45% of total marks. Isn't it great? इसका मतलब कुछ और नहीं भी पढ़ोगे तो पास हो जाओगे. Just kidding. Aim higher. Let's discuss the two chapters one by one. First is atoms and molecules to prepare this chapter for exam. Focus on numerical problems on molecular mass and the mole concept from NCERT and previous year's papers. Chemical formulas and definitions and solved NCERT examples, law of chemical combination. Second chapter is structure of atoms. आप atom से बने हो, and in this chapter you get to study its structure. Interesting, right? Thanks to all the scientists. Now, to secure marks from this chapter, prepare topics like hypothesis of Thomson and Bohr model, definition and examples of isotopes and isobars, calculation of average atomic mass of chlorine, what is alpha particle, results of Rutherford's experiment, and electron distribution in the energy shell of lithium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, helium. ये guidelines follow करके you will be able to secure 18 marks. Next is physics. In physics, आपको दो chapters पढ़ने हैं. 1. Gravitation and 2. Work and energy. From these two chapters, आप 14 marks secure कर सकते हैं. After analyzing last year's papers, we have shortlisted a few topics. In gravitation chapter, questions are focused on topics like universal law of gravitation, Kepler's laws, free fall, weight of object on moon, applications and basics of fluid pressure, and Archimedes' principle. Similarly, topics that are important in work and energy are formula and applications from work, energy and power, basic idea and types of energy, and conservation of mechanical energy. So far, you have secured 32 marks. Why should we leave 8 marks then? बायोलॉजी को आप सबसे लास्ट में प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. इसमें बस एक ही चैप्टर है. Why do we fall ill? To prepare this chapter, focus on topics like various types of diseases, their causes and treatments. We hope this will help you do your best in exams. Good luck! To also prepare for mathematics and other subjects with 3D videos, log on to embibe.com or download the app now.